Hello. And he says, I make more mistakes when I'm doing the basic parts. So, yes, I agree.
You were saying is because you're thinking about somebody learning and you're
Yes,
trying to keep so still and
of course, I'm thinking about someone who is trying to learn from my basic parts, and then if I don't stay at one place as many times as possible, then someone cannot learn. So I'm trying to stick to the basic
yeah, so
stuff.
they don't get confused.
That get
Yeah.
me a little bit, confused, and I'm sorry about that.
No. This part is the Kutsinhira basic part for Taireva.
Taireva, yes.
Again with the foot stamping, some high lines, and
Mhm.
the same singing. In the last video
Yes.
also you sing the Kushara and Kutsinhira
Yes,
parts
yes.
both together so people can see how they fit together.
Yes.
I'll just say it now. Actually, I'm going on your face. Let's look at this while I'm talking. When Forward is singing the Kushara and Kutsinhira song parts, they can be sung by either person. Just one person takes each role. It doesn't matter if it's the Kushara player singing the Kutsinhira part and the Kutsinhira player singing the Kushara part, or any which way. But you can sing the two different parts with two different people.
Yes.
Or you can have one person singing
both.
singing the both.
Yeah.
this one.
Yes.
I think it's time we stop for lunch now.
Yes, we can stop for lunch now and then we come back later. So it's bye bye for now. Thank you. Enjoy.